Hello, basses. We're going to play Spirit of the American West by Newbold here. A couple of little spots to keep in mind as you're practicing that you're going to want to practice slowly to make sure you're getting all the notes out, to make sure you're getting the bow really into the string and make sure we're getting them in tune. When you come in at 24 with the 16th note stuff, all right, it's going to be much easier if you go up to second position, all right? And you're just a half step up, actually, from first position. So my fourth finger is going to match my open D string there. Then you can play the whole rest of it, this measure here, in first position. It's just this part, the 16th notes. It really needs to be up here, 4, 4, 2, 4. Because if you try to do the open string, you're going to go, and it's really hard to do that string crossing really fast. But over here, with just my fingers, with just my left hand, so much easier. And you have 2 bars rest to find that. All right, so you're over here in first position in 21. Up a half step. Okay, all right, super easy to find there so that we start in the right spot. Now, same thing at the end, at measure 69, I'm going to go down a half step so that I can play the 16th notes and get down to that F natural there really quickly. So in measure 66, I am again in first position. All right, I have C natural. All right, then I'm in first position. I'm going to go down, all right, so I can be in half position. Do that again. It's a lot of fourth finger, but it sure is a lot easier than trying to shift down just for the F natural, when you can go ahead and just be in half position. Easy, right? Just stay there in half position. So here it is again from 66. 2, 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now for the tone, all right, to make sure my bow is doing what it's supposed to, because I'm way down here, really, really low here on the bass. Making sure every note speaks. Lots of bow speed. Practice it just like that. Same thing at 24, where I'm up a half step from first position. See how much bow I'm using when I'm practicing slowly. The mistake that happens most often when students are practicing slowly is they practice like this. And there's no bow speed, all right, to translate to going faster later, okay? So here it is. We're going to play the Spirit of the American West. Make sure also that you're practicing going back and forth between pizzicata, all right, and arco. They're able to make that transition really fast. So here we go. One last place that's going to help you play it better, playing up in position. Anytime I think we can avoid a string crossing in a fast passage, it's probably going to help us play the piece a little bit better. So 45 and 49, all right, where you see where you're going from G like this, all right. Remember, G and C are right across from each other, C and D whole step apart. So for the 8th notes, instead of going and then having to cross over the A string or cross 2 strings at once to get down to the low G, how about first finger on the G, so I'm up on the G, C, D, G, like that. That's going to make 45 and 49 a lot easier, okay? And also, actually, even 40, just going ahead and doing it early will make it easier. And if I play D here, all right, up in position on the A string, then I'm not going having to cross so many strings to get there. All right, here we go. Spirit of the American West. 1, 2, 3, 4.